The Taylor Hall Gallery is important as a means of showing off student work that's done in the school. Our students really do some phenomenal work. To have the ability to display it on a regular basis, that's super important to us.
It doesn't have to be anything that you worked on during class, and that's a nice change from other kinds of exhibitions we've had here. We've had a lot of things that are based on the work that you've done in class, so this is a nice opportunity for things to kind of come out in your personal life that you might have worked on and enjoyed, and maybe you took some inspiration from your VCD classes and they kind of went into those projects.
I think it's a great idea to showcase your work because you get to learn about your strengths and weaknesses from that part. So I think it's a great idea to have a gallery exhibit like that in Taylor Hall because this will allow students to gain the confidence to showcase their work and learn something new from it.
One of the first things they tell you in grad school is to aim for 100 rejections. So that basically means that you're getting 100 rejections because you're putting your work out there. You're really taking a chance, but that's really what you have to do as a designer. You have to put your stuff out there.
The people that have spoken to me about the gallery were really impressed with the amount of work that goes into something that seems so simple as making a symbol of someone washing their hands. They get to see all of the back end work with that, and that's really great because that helps people to understand the value of design and apply it to their own problems.
People come in here and they go, wow, look at this space. It's a professional looking gallery. We have really nice lighting up. The floors are beautiful. There's movable walls every time they come in. And the shows themselves have been very professionally hung by Kathy and Christine. And just the content of the shows has been great.
When I started working on my design piece for this gallery, I had no idea how to set up an exhibition and how to go about things. I think that while setting up the exhibition, that's the most important thing that has happened to me, and that what I have learned during the process is that you have to collaborate with others to become better as a designer.
Having the gallery space at our disposal means that we can utilize it in the classroom setting, we can utilize it for out-of-class experiences, knowing that we can always have a visitor come in and show their work, or we can have the graduate students present a show like the one that we're talking about now, means that that's an opportunity for my underclassmen to go and visit and see the potential work that they may be doing in the future and things that could influence them in the careers that they decide to take.
I think, like when we're recruiting students, you bring them in here and show them this show, they're going to see, like in the student show, what am I going to be doing in 4 years if I come here? And if they see this stuff, they're just going to be completely jazzed about coming to this program, I think.